Hello everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can save or download Instagram reel to your gallery. For that, just open the reel you want to save and then click on the share button, and from there just click to add to story. After that, then just adjust your reel to your as it fits your screen, and after it fits your screen then just click the three dots on the top right corner, and from there just click save. Right, it will only save your video till 15 seconds, and if the video exceeds 15 seconds then it won't work. So what to do if the video exceeds 15 seconds? I got your solution. For that, just copy your video link. For that, just you need to copy link from after pressing the share button. Just need to copy link, and from there go to Google and type Instagram download, Instagram video download, and from there you will get a lot of websites. So I'm going to click the first link, and from there you just need to paste your link, and from here just need to type download, and from here just need to click download video, and yeah, your video will be downloaded. And as you can see, the ad has came up, so I just went back and then clicked. Yeah, now it worked. As you can see, it has downloaded, and from here you can just download videos which are more than 15 seconds, or you can say 1 minute to 30 seconds.